Located in Ladson, South Carolina, Abberly Crossing Apartment Homes by HHHunt invites you to live well, live close, live Abberly Crossing. Located adjacent to the Palmetto Commerce Park, this community is the ideal home base for anyone who wants to spend more time doing what they love and less time stuck in traffic. As for our exceptional mix of amenities, they will make every moment special. Relax with a book at the invigorating zero-entry swimming pool. Have a productive brainstorming session in our business center, or loosen up and play foosball, pool, or card games in our gaming room. Squeezing in an effective workout or enjoying an alfresco dining experience is just as easy. The little ones will look forward to playing with their friends on the playground, and your dog will love the dog park. There's so much to love. If you'd rather relax in the privacy of your own home, our apartment's modern commodities are exactly what you need. Sip a refreshing drink on your screened porch, bake your favorite cookie recipe in the cook-friendly kitchen, or have a muscle-relaxing bath in the oval garden tub. Your beloved furry friends will be happy to know we allow up to 3 pets per household, 2 of which can be dogs. We offer 1, 2, and 3 bedroom homes, and all are equipped with smart technology. Experience the perfect balance of serenity, convenience, and comfort at Abberly Crossing Apartment Homes by HHHunt. All of this plus an award-winning on-site management and service team, 24 hours a day emergency maintenance, and the HHHunt How You Live lifestyle. Start living the life you deserve and contact us today for a tour. AbberlyCrossing.com. Abberly Crossing Apartment Homes by HHHunt is part of HHHunt Apartment Living. Visit all our communities at HHHuntApartmentLiving.com. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters.